Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the home screen and wallpaper. Here let's tap on the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from our own gallery, and here we've got our photos. Here we've got some recommended ones, my wallpapers, and here we've got the wallpaper which is currently set, and all of the previous wallpapers we had on the home screen. And here we've got some albums with the wallpapers. So but before we will enter the album, as you can see we've got more wallpapers also, so you can tap on it and you will be transferred to more options. You will also be able to check the themes and so on and so on. But let me pick something from the available ones, and as you can see here we've got more options. So if you want to check how the wallpaper looks like, simply tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen. What's more, we've got the option to check how it will look like on the home screen after setting it. So let's tap on this eye icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the icon simply appeared, so we can check how it will look like. If you want to go back, just tap whenever you want to, wherever. So here we've got also the option to blur, and after tapping on it you will be able to change the level of blurriness. Just by using this swipe you can go to the very right and make it blurred, or sharp by going to the left, and I think I will stick with this option. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let's tap on it and wait a second. Okay, we just got back to the let's say albums, so we have to go back to the home page and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately applied. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.